So a few months ago, me and Adam built this trail and it was actually really cool. But first, let me take you a trip down memory lane when the trail was in its glory. Just riding down here and he just falls in like that.
Bro, he's saying that this isn't sketchy. Go on with your bike. Go on with your bike.
So now it was time to put it back in its glory. So our plan was to put some dirt here and make it basically a smooth surface. So it was time to start building.
Until this muck is less like crumbly, and then we'll throw in a few rocks and pieces of wood and whatever to fill up.
So we were taking dirt from this useless landing that we never used once, and it was in the last clip of memory lane. We were practically finished, except for one thing. This little tree stub. We had to get rid of it. So we brought the clippers out. But that was fine. We got rid of it. With everything finished, it was now time to try it. In here, you could just see how technical it was. Me and Adam, we were expecting we could go full speed on that, but it's really technical and I really loved it. And you're probably wondering why I have my GoPro on me. Well, I tried to do GoPro shots, but they all failed. And speaking of my GoPro, I know you've been thinking, why haven't I posted any GoPro videos yet? Well, it's because I've been really busy and expect a GoPro video in 2 weeks.